Hello guys, I'm doing another crystal unboxing once again, and I've just received a package from one of my friends and it contains a few gemstones, so I'm just going to show you all the names. And yeah, so we're going to start with a turquoise, which is quite rare and doesn't really get found that often. It's a bit dark, guys, but as you can see, it's blue and red, black.
Just lean on me like that, okay?
So
just got to wait
next, we have got Tiger's Eye, I think.
Just copy me, okay, darling? Like we were doing before.
It has got a nice strip
So
of orange and shiny.
We've got to do Bethany, Chloe,
and it is really nice.
Chloe Hunt, Chelsea,
and yeah,
Nikki Enderby, Jodie,
so it's
Paul,
one of the best
Carol,
gemstones. My favourite.
Tammy, Sinead, Kaylee,
So, yeah.
Abby, and Susan. Okay, that's all we have to do.
Next, we have got a. I don't really know. I think it's something to do with snow. It looks pretty cool. I don't know if you guys like it. Might do a contest. But yeah, it's just like a stripy one. But and then next we have got like a bronze colour.
Just wait a minute, darling.
I think it's bronze.
You got to lean on me, otherwise
nice.
you can't see into the camera.
And I might be doing a giveaway on that as well, maybe. I don't know. Depends how many. If I get 100 likes, no, 50 likes for the start and 5 subscribers, that would be great. Thank you. Right, and then finally we've got one of the rarest. Well, we have probably got the rarest thing in the world. We've got a diamond sent from Germany, and it's very nice. It's just a glass diamond.
That's silver.
Might be silver, I don't know. I think it's glass diamond. Might be a silver diamond, I don't know. It is a diamond,
yeah.
And it's really nice.
Do you want to come this side?
And worth a lot of money.
My arm.
So, yeah.
Come this side then.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.